pressing this. Hey, where's my brother now? Let's go in.
I have a phone call.
Hello?
Hello?
Are you almost home?
Yes, I'm coming home right now, Jason.
Do you have a present for me?
Of course I have a present.
Yay, see you later.
Okay, bye.
Hey, my brother is here. Yay!
Jason, I'm home.
Hey, brother.
Hey, Jason.
Do you have my present?
Yeah, of course, Jason. Come. Here's your first present.
Whoa!
We got red and blue. Do you want to open the trunk?
Yes.
Okay, click it. Let's get it out. Okay.
Well, it connects the last part.
Okay, let's connect it. Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
Bye.
Hello. Over the fruits. Let's fight them.
Yellow collar, where are you?
I see a lemon.
Here I am, how do you do?
I got a lemon.
Orange collar, where are you?
Orange.
Here I am, how do you do?
Orange.
Pink collar, where are you?
I see pink.
Here I am, how do you do?
Yay, pink.